Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today I going to show you my favorite yarn, Miss Tricot Filati brand velvet yarn. So this yarn is really nice. I like this yarn. This yarn shade number is 9. This yarn is so soft and beautiful. I like this yarn. I hope you like this yarn too. This yarn recommended 7 to 8 mm crochet hook and knitting needle. If I make anything with this yarn, it will be so beautiful. So you can see over here have 100 grams yarn and this really beautiful, so pretty. So in the middle I just pull the yarn and the yarn is coming so easily. And I will show something like this pretty small, some double crochet I am doing, and then I will show you how it look like. I make a slip knot and I am doing some chain and some double crochet. Then I will show you how it look like. And after that I hope you understand this yarn. This yarn is so thick yarn. It's really nice size. You can make a lot of things with this yarn. Baby sweater, baby hat, scarf, shawl, lots of items. So now I am doing some double crochet. I love this yarn. I hope lot of crocheter love this yarn brand. It's really pretty and cool. I almost done and I finished. I will show you. I have a lot of yarn in this brand because I love this brand. So I am done and I put on the top. You can see it looks so pretty and so beautiful. I hope you understand how thick this yarn is. If you want to buy, you can go to online or you can go to the market and you can find this brand yarn very easily. That's all for today. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Happy crochet. Bye bye.